What are we doing today, Mare?
We are cleaning a dirty iron.
So this is our industrial iron, very heavy duty. We haven't turned it on yet today. And so we're gonna actually replace the shoe, which is the covering on the outside, and the felt diffuser that goes directly on the iron. So go ahead and take those off. This is a little bit tricky, so you're gonna watch that spring.
Taking that spring off, pulling that out, and that's the inside.
So we're gonna get rid of that. That's garbage now. Ugh. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that
all
thing.
that. And this is what happens.
And this is what we're gonna replace it with. So these, we use the iron heavily, obviously. So we're gonna replace that after we clean it. Now, we're gonna turn it on.
So to do this, we got our nice hot iron. It's steaming, as you can see. We're gonna take our cleaner and put some lines. That hot iron's gonna go down, and we're gonna go in a circular motion, giving it some nice steam. It doesn't matter which direction. I like going multiple directions to let the pile get up in those little lines.
Already looking better. And you can add some water. You can use a wet cloth too. we keep water in a spray bottle over here too, so that we can really bump up this steam. As she's lifting it up here, you can just barely see that there are little holes, little pinprick holes in the middle of those divots. And that is the most important part that we're trying to clear out there. That is where the steam actually shoots out. So we want to make sure that those are totally clear. That's where all the good stuff happens. And we've got the iron only on about half as high as the heat can go, unbelievably. And now I think we're pretty well ready to dress her back up in her little party outfit.
Taking the spring, and we're just gonna flip it to the other side. This will let me move it to the back of the heel easier.
Here we go. Yeah.
Press down, make sure that gasket's even and not squished.
That blue section there. And you can get replacement parts for these, but if it's time to replace the gasket, it's time to replace the whole shoe.
And then we're just going to pull the spring back and attach it to the side.